boy. He's hiding. I can only assume it's a boy because they're always hiding something.
Is that?
That's the heartbeat. It sounds healthy.
Oh my God.
Congratulations, Grace. It sounds great. I'm going to take some measurements.
This is. I can't. Well, I'm gonna be a mother.
Well, now I know what I want. I want to be a dad. I'm going to do it on my own, just like my best girl.
I'm right here.
And any kidney or liver problems. Enjoy every moment and help protect yourself from an unexpected one, like another DVT or PE. Are you doing enough? Ask your doctor about Xarelto. To learn more about cost and how Janssen can help, visit Xarelto.com. Have you found your skin's true match? True to you and your skin?
Will and Grace is shot before a live studio audience.
Grace, I need breakfast. I'm only eating fruits, vegetables, and unleavened bread for 21 days.
Is that the Bible diet?
Yes, it's what God and Chris Pratt eat.
Jack, I'm worried about Will. I mean, he still has the TV room set up as McCoy's office. They broke up like 3 weeks ago.
It's so sad. Will he ever find love again? I mean, I don't think so, but it's not up to me.
Hey, you guys. Hey, you're the best thing about quitting Equinox. I found it even gayer, Jim. Yeah, every shower stall has its own selfie station. Look at you!
Soldiering on.
Sweetie, isn't it time for you to get rid of some of McCoy's things? Like maybe this picture of you guys?
What? No, I love that one. McCoy had a really bad cold, so I'm almost as cute as him. Every other picture were Kevin James and any woman that ever played his wife.